Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. Have you noticed that recently everyone is talking about artificial intelligence? Just a few years ago, ChatGPT became one of the most powerful AI tools in the world. But now, another AI assistant is becoming extremely powerful among to the students, developers, researchers, and content creators. And what it is Claude AI. Many people are asking questions like what exactly is Claude AI? Is it better than ChatGPT? Why are professionals using it? Should I learn Claude AI in 2026? Can it help me in my career? If you have this kind of questions, then this video is exactly for you. In today's video, I will explain everything about Claude AI in very simple and easy language. Even if you never use any AI tool before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what Claude AI is, who is created, where it is used, how it is different from ChatGPT, and finally, I will also give you a live demonstration. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. First, what is Claude AI? Before we compare Claude with any other AI tool, let's first understand what Claude AI is actually. Claude AI is advanced artificial intelligence assistants that understand natural language. Instead of typing complicated commands, you can simply ask questions just like you would ask a friend or colleagues. For example, you can ask Claude to explain difficult topics, write an articles, summarize a PDF, create emails, solve programming problems, generate business reports, translate languages, and even help you prepare for interviews. The amazing part is that Claude doesn't simplify search the internet and show you links. Instead, it understands your request, analyzes the context, and generates a complete answer in the natural and human like. Think of Cloud AI is highly intelligent person assistance who is available for 24 by 7 and can help you with almost every knowledge based task. Whether you are studying for exam, writing YouTube scripts, developing software, preparing presentation, creating marketing content, or analyzing business document, Claude can significantly reduce the time required to complete of your work. One reason many professionals appreciate Claude is its writing style. Its responses are usually well organized, easy to read, and highly detailed. This makes it practically useful for tasks require clarity and structured thinking. Now we will move on next slide. Who is created Cloud AI? Now let's answer another important questions. Who created Claude AI? Claude AI was developed by a company called Anthropic. Anthropic is artificial intelligence research company that was found in 2021 by the former researchers and engineers from OpenAI. Their goal was not only to build a powerful AI assistant, but also to create one of the safe, reliable, and responsible AI tool. Instead of focusing only on making AI smarter, Anthropic also focus on teaching the AI how to provide helpful, honest, and harmless responses. This approach is known as constitutional AI. Without going into technical details, AI means constitutional AI means the model is trained using a set of guiding principles that encourage it to produce responses that are useful, respectful, and safe. This is one of the reasons Claude has become trusted by many businesses, educators, and professionals around the world. Now, move on the next slides. Where is Claude AI is used? Now might be wondering where can we actually use Claude.ai? The answer is almost everywhere. Let's look at some real life examples. For example, students and teachers. Students can use Claude AI to understand complex subjects, summarize textbooks, prepare notes, generate practical exams, solve assignments, and prepare for more examinations. Content creator. If you are YouTuber, blogger, Instagram creator, or social media manager, Claude can help you generate video scripts, blog articles, captions, titles, descriptions, and content idea. Instead of facing writer's block, you can brainstorm unlimited creative ideas. Software developers. Developers frequently use Claude to write code, explain programming concepts, debug errors, review projects, generate documents, and learn new programming languages. Its ability to understand large code base makes it especially useful for software developers. Researchers. Researchers are often works with lengthy academic papers or reports. Claude can summarize long research paper, compare multiple documents, extract key findings, and simplify complex information. Business professionals. Office employee can and business owners usually Claude to draft emails, reports, analyze documents, prepare meeting notes, generate presentations, and improve productivity. Instead of spending hours of writing documents manually, Claude can create professional drafts in minutes. As you can see, Claude AI is not designed for just one profession. It can help almost anyone who works with information. Now, let's discuss the most common questions. Is Claude AI is better than ChatGPT? The answer is actually quite simple. Neither tool is universally better, but both are excellent AI assistants. However, each of one of its own strength. Let's start with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most versatile AI assistants available today. It can help with writing, coding, brainstorming, learning, image generation, research, and much more. It also offers many integrated tools that make it suitable for a wide variety of everyday tasks. Now let's look at Claude.ai. Claude is especially known for producing natural writing, handling very long documents, understanding complex instructions, and generating highly structured responses. Professionals who works with research paper, legal document, technical documents, business reports, or software developments often appreciates Claude because it maintains context even when working with large amount of information. So, which one should you choose? If your work mainly involves writing documentations, research, programming, or document analysis, Claude is excellent choice. If you need all-purpose AI assistance with image generation, multiple built-in tools, and broader integration, ChatGPT is also outstanding option. The reality is that many professionals don't choose one over the other. They use both. They select the tool that best fits in the task they are working on it. Remember this important point: AI tools are not competitor in your workflow. They are productively partners. The more tool you understand, the more efficient you become. Now, let's answer one of final questions. Who should actually learn Claude AI? The answer is very simple. If you are students, teachers, then Claude is for you. If you are a software developer, content creators, business owners, researchers, then you must be use Claude AI. Claude AI is absolutely worth for learning. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic technology. It has already become a part of education, business, software development, marketing, healthcare, finance, and many other industries. Learning how to work with AI is becoming essential skill for the future. Now that you understand the basics of Claude.ai, let's move the practical part. I am going to open Claude.ai and show how exactly it works. So this is the framework of Claude.ai where you can use your prompt and get the best result as you want. As you see, here I am writing create a simple login page using HTML and just press enter. As you can see, I just write create a simple login page and with this prompt, this will give a very best HTML login page. And that's it for today's video. I hope you know have a clear understanding of what Claude AI is, who created is, where it is